Hello and welcome back to Fish Big. On this episode we go for a little adventure into the foothills in Kananaskis country. We hit Barrier Lake. The weather is just nasty, but we still have a lot of fun. We get to see some rain, snow, wind. We check out a few boat launches, and I finally stop when the weather clears for a little bit and I hook one little fish, so it's not too bad. I have a lot of follow-ups, a lot of bumps, but it's pretty crazy, so check it out and I hope you enjoy. Okay, we were headed into the mountain country, but it is pouring rain. It's not supposed to be raining this much, but good thing we didn't take the boat. But hopefully it calms down here in a little bit. Okay, we just stopped. We got our Kananaskis pass. It is just pouring rain though, so hopefully I can get a little bit of fishing in, but at least we're gonna check out some of the lakes, some of the boat launches. Yeah, so maybe I'll get back to you when we're on a fish, or hopefully I can catch a fish, I don't know. We made it to the boat launch. This is Barrier Lake. What a beautiful lake. But it is still just pouring. Nice boat launch though, beautiful boat launch. Whoa. Just had a fish. I guess sometimes it pays to fish in the rain. Off to Lower Kananaskis to take a look at it, but it is pouring rain. Made it to the Lower Kananaskis boat launch. Can't really see too good with there we go. And there's just a river of water flowing down there. I don't know if you can see it, but I don't think we're going to even do any shore fishing. Okay, I came back to Barrier Lake. I had a couple of hits here, and it was terrible weather, but the weather broke for a little bit, so I'm going to give her another go and see if I can pull one out. Oh, look at that. Got him. Oh, did you see that? That was pretty cool. A whole bunch of fish just followed up. See if I can get another one. Hope you got that jumping out of the water there. That was pretty fun. No follow-ups that time. Well, that was quite the adventure. Rain, snow, you name it, wind. It was just terrible. And as soon as there was a break, I took the opportunity to come down and do some fishing, and hooked into a little one. I had a few bumps, a few bites, a lot of follow-ups, and hooked a little fish. So it wasn't too bad, a lot of fun. So thanks for watching, and until the next one, hope you enjoyed.